Today, we are excited to share with you the vision, mission, and ambition of our school. Your partnership as parents is crucial and greatly valued. Our school aspires to be an exemplary center of learning and teaching. We nurture open-minded and creative individuals who are empowered to reach their full potential. We are committed to innovation, academic excellence, resilience, and fostering international mindedness. Together, we create the space for extraordinary potential to flourish. Our mission is to shape principled citizens who act effectively to address the challenge of an unpredictable world. Student well-being, holistic development, and inclusive international education are central to our mission. We prioritize cognitive, emotional, social, and physical growth within our supportive school community. Our aim is clear: nurturing young minds who are ready to build a better world. Our ambition focuses on supporting student growth through diverse academic, artistic, athletic, and community services experiences. By equipping students with essential competencies, we aim to prepare them for success. We actively engage our community in meaningful actions, empowering each student to navigate and excel in their future. Student-centered learning, respecting individual pathways and identities, inquiry and reflection, encouraging curiosity, questioning, and meaningful reflection, challenge and support, providing intellectual and emotional stretch alongside intentional support, collaboration and community, promoting shared learning experience enriched by dialogue and diverse perspectives, autonomy and ownership, empowering students to take ownership of their learning journeys, well-being, cultivating emotional, social, and ethical well-being to support academic success and lifelong learning. We focus on essential competencies such as emotional intelligence, creativity, critical thinking, flexibility, resilience, collaboration, communication, leadership, independence, technology, social and cultural awareness, citizenship, and environmental awareness. These competencies are embedded within daily learning and teaching, preparing students not just to adapt, but to lead with confidence. We warmly invite you as parents to actively support and reinforce our school's vision at home. Practical ways to engage include open conversations, attending school events, and providing valuable feedback. Together, we make this vision a reality and empower your children. Our school remains dedicated to educational excellence, personal growth, and global citizenship. To conclude, I will bring you back to our core values: kindness, respect, and inclusivity, and to our motto, "We are one." Thank you.